Lately, I've been having migraines. I don't know if they're caused by the weather or my hormones, but either way, I'm just tired of it, and I just want to go back to being a baby. In fact, I want to be a fat baby, which is what we're going to be playing today. Oh, holy shit, this camera's kind of weird. Well, my objective is to eat food, to get fat, unlock upgrades, and eat other players. Well, the downside is I'm a total loser with no friends, so there are no other players. But that's fine, I'll live with it. Holy shit, I'm so slow. I'm supposed to press space to jump. Oh. I can jump pretty high. Get on the bed, baby. Come on, baby. Whatever, I'll just eat this lollipop on the floor. Come on. Come on, baby. Why won't he eat the lollipop? I'm pressing E! For some reason I can't get on the bed, but you know what? Whatever, I'll just find other ways to get food. Ooh, a pizza! Oh my god. Come on, baby. Eat the pizza. Come on, baby. Why? Please, I just want to eat! Oh, holy shit, I can get an upgrade to hunt people. Man, not only I had friends to play this game with. Why can't I eat anything? What is going on? So I can't eat pizza, I can't eat apples, I can't eat lollipops, then what the fuck am I supposed to consume? People? Oh, wouldn't that be the dream? Wait, looks like there's something in the toilet. I wonder what's in there. Yeah, I wonder if I can eat it. What the fuck? I just got hit by a rope. Oh, this game is going to be a treat. Ooh, cake. Well, I can't eat the toilet pizza, which is— what the fuck? Come on, bro! Just crawling here. Can I eat the floor cake? Please. Please, I'm hungry. No! What the hell am I even supposed to do? This game is called Fat Baby and I can't even eat anything. I can hear it, still hear— I think I can hear the Doomba. Man, I sure hope it doesn't pop out this corner or attack me. That would make me pee myself. Ooh, another floor cake. And I still can't eat it. God damn it. What the hell am I even supposed to eat anyways? The air? The dirt? Jesus, man. Can I even go down the stairs? That doesn't seem safe, but you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna give myself brain damage. He just yeeted me back up the stairs! Holy shit! That Roomba is out for blood. I'm still mad I can't eat any of the food though, like— what the hell? That made me jump, not gonna lie. Come on, baby, eat the— oh. Eat the cookie. Come on! Come on! Eat cookie. No. Who the hell programmed this shit? Damn! I thought Roombas were supposed to be like vacuums, not baby killers. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going out to the real world and find some food. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna cross the street. What the hell? Okay, now I can cross it. This game is beautiful. Oh my god. What the fuck? What is going on? am. Man, why is everybody out to get me? I'm just a baby. I mean, I know I killed children before on The Sims, but this is wild. I'm gonna worry about that later. I don't even know if this is my own house or if I've just broken into someone else's house. Can I please eat the lollipop? Oh. Can I eat the chocolate bar? No? Well, that was a bust. Oh god, there's a child. You deserve it, you little shit! Man, fuck kids. If I see a child, I'm just gonna throw him right into the middle of the street and watch him get hit by a car. Man, this game is so weird. Still haven't been able to figure out how to eat shit. Like, it says E to eat food, and that's why I've been pressing. I haven't even consumed anything. I'm still a tiny baby. Maybe I'm just missing something. You know what? I think I'm just gonna give up on trying to eat. Did that guy just cuss? Anyways, I think I'm just gonna give up on trying to eat food and try to survive in this shithole of a world. Like, I have no idea what else to do. And that woman is still walking into a wall. But you know what? That's not my problem. I have more things to worry about. Like getting kicked by a fucking child. I'm going to cross the street. I know the streets are dangerous, but I don't care. I'm willing to risk anything. Oh my god, there's a... You know what? That car saved me from the child. I'd rather get hit by a child. Never mind. Maybe the eat function would actually work if I had some other people to play with, but honestly I don't care too much about that. I just want to be a baby for a bit. Can you blame me? Alright then. Oh, he's coming this way. Are you seriously trying to blow me right into the street? Jesus Christ. Oh. Hey, could you blow me out just a bit further? Guess not. You know, I just don't understand this world. I'm like fresh out of the pussy and everything's already out to get me. Thanks a lot. That woman is still walking into the wall. Like, what is wrong with her? Can someone please help her? Oh god, a child. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please. How the hell am I still alive? You deserve it, bitch! Aw. I've been trying to cross the street for God knows how long, and I still haven't been Wait. That kid helped me? What the fuck? But I made it! What the hell? Thanks, kid. I appreciate it. I hope you burn in hell. Please, God, tell me I can eat this. No! So am I just gonna starve to death? Thanks a lot, you asshole. Jesus Christ, dude! What did I even do to you? Can't eat too big. What? Then what the hell am I supposed to eat then? My ass? Oh no, child, get away, 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 get away. God damn it. Head first into the... Oh my god. What the hell is wrong with my arms? What did that kid do to me? away from me, kid. Fuck you. I'm going to eat your toes. Oh my god, there's 2 of them! No! Get away! Get away! Get away. Jesus Christ. Where are your parents, kid? Get away from me! Man, this world is all sorts of messed up. Man, if only I could eat things and then I could eat this entire city, then maybe I wouldn't have to deal with these asshole children. I could eat them. Come on, can someone please hit this child? Please, 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 please. Can a car go by? Please, kill this kid. Kill him. Was I even on the road? I just got hit by its taillight. What a scary place this world is. I don't even know if this is my house, but fuck it, I live here now. This is my new home. Oh my god, there's a Roomba! I hope it doesn't see me. What the hell's going on with the camera? Oh, there we go. I hope I can make it up these stairs before the Roomba finds me. Oh shit! Well, time to make my way back up the stairs. I just want to know who the hell programmed the Roombas to attack babies, like... What is even the deal with that? But it sure is helpful. Can you please just give me another good kick? Just one more? Come on. Thanks. Oh, I was so close! Thanks, you dick. Wait, since it's upstairs, then it might knock me back down. Oh, no. Come on, man! Fine, I'll just go to another part of the house. Holy shit. How the hell were you able to find me down here? You know what? I haven't even been able to eat anything, but you know what? I found myself a new home, and that's all that matters to me.